Okay, our time check is 8:58, so 2 more minutes to go before we start our journey. Here greeting the literal one is Sing Pai Long. These ones that I'm saying, these are Hokkien languages, Hokkien terms, social media or on Facebook or TV, the Hokkien culture would be settling to have their offices and things like that.
Okay, behind me is the First United Building, guys. Part ng tour natin. First United Building.
Some squares and all these geometric shapes by itself. Also symmetry. Kasi basically
Okay, guys. Pupunta tayo ngayon sa First United Building Museum.
the involving import and export business. Eventually, this would be purchased by a Filipino-Chinese businessman named Cillian Peng. There's a name there on that. Okay. So they are involved in more school supplies business. But just in case, maybe something you may be more familiar with him or with the business of Cosmos Bazaar is that, let me ask this question first. By any chance, at one point in your life, have you ever owned a pilot Marcher on board? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, so, Cillian Peng, I know it's in the room.
Ay, kahit tayo pala.
Okay. Meanwhile, the ones that you're sitting on, these are, it's okay, you'll be still sit. These are the items or the desks, the setup of the desk that is you're sitting on. Okay, so you can take a look. The post-war, not the pre-war, which got burned down. This is the post-war building of Mr. Cillian Peng on the same location of the pre-war. So it was a big.
Lumang rep. 1945 na rep. Close. Lumang rep. 1950s pa.
Experiment in many things, since anyway they have an importance. So they try to spell they try to prepare or produce some of these. How do you find it? And at the end of the count of 30, that's our picture.
Ano? Guys, dito pa din tayo sa First United Building para sa isang museum tour.
ano na lang, approach, radiant, ay, favorite. Approach rate. For the owner, his name is Don Jose De Leon. Don Jose is an owner of Paso Deco, the contact. So it's actually owned by this cardiac birth, the first cardiologist in the country. So basically, the building to the very back what I told you earlier is called that as well the main. So even the owner of this building is the first cardiologist. Side road building, side department store again. Hello! Back in the days, in the 1920s, especially for the well-off wards, it's really for business purposes. So that's how it was. Maybe right now it's something identical or something meters on building. So in terms of architectural style, so you see just take note of that again. It started with a place called Sala de Mantiera.
So far, marami na tayong dinaanan. Bagong knowledge. Ano mga pangalan ma? Natividad Building, Regina Building, First United Building, Burke Building, at Benitez Building.
Yux Art is the name of this, that's the family name of the owners of this building, Calvo Building. This is the style, Yux Art. Yux is a very strict order of like Corinthian order like that. So, like just to give you somehow like kind of architectural appreciation right now. Pick one of those arch windows, yeah, have you pick ready one? And then right at the topmost part, at the middle part, let's just move a bit up. Incentives in terms of law. So we have a law that mandates that these buildings will be historical in Manila. We have a local ordinance that whenever you bear this kind of marker, you could also enjoy real property tax breaks. Okay, that way you could also the codes of art the family members that are involved in this building. So whenever you have these kinds of codes of art, basically you really clean constantly.
Guys, we are still on tour. Dito tayo ngayon sa Calvo Building sa Escolta.
But did you know that it's been around since 1988? Related to the Battle of Manila, beginning at February, because that would be the 80th anniversary of the Battle of Manila. So we'll be visiting places like Binondo, which were used by the Japanese during those times. Basically, Escolta in its entirety, back in those days, in February, were burned down by the Japanese. Building per building, in their desperate move to escape from the city, when we could be the second most devastated city in the world next to Warsaw in Poland. Just for reference, maybe there will be other cities, but some people would say it that way. Okay, so these are pictures collected by the owners of this building.
Newspaper. Alam niyo ba yung mga newspaper?
Yes, these are the old newspapers during the Spanish and early American period.
Wala, independence.
So this one is the China de Manila, which used to be present in Campos.
Yes. Photos and videos as allowed, pero
Ano ka nila pala?
Sinabi.
Right there. So, yan. So, for reference, no? Actually, there's another newspaper here that talks about yung biography, not among death, no? Biography ni Padre Jose Burgos. I would be checking out naman the newspapers. Manila Carnival Queens. So yun yung precursor natin ng mga Miss Universe and all like that. Okay, enjoy your stay. And then when I back, let me know which among this area here is your like favorite area. See you in a bit. Yung sweepstakes dito back in the days, may designs pa. Very artistic pa sila. When nowadays, when you buy some lottery tickets, parang
Numbers.
It's chill. This is just typical. The milk bottles because the beer bottles. The milk bottles because bring out your bottles in your house. Fresh milk. Okay, everybody gather here.
They're open.
Hindi naman. Got ready. Winter. What's up on this guy? Stay in one tropical church. Just around here. It's now next to the So that's across us. This building that's seemingly being demolished right now is called the Capitol Theater. Okay, so these are the muses of music and theater. So they're actually decorating the facade of this building. So shall we come closer and take a look?
Yung batang nagpipicture-picture lang siya. Ang pinanood natin sa Cinemalaya.
And being over there, half yes, half no. Okay. It's designed, it's like Art Deco also, but in the particular style of Art Deco, it's ziggurat style. You know, ziggurat, yung parang listed already.
Okay, so far, ongoing pa rin ang tour namin dito sa Escolta Heritage Walk. Madaming tayo natututunan at nakikilala lumang mga building. Tulad nitong lumang building na ginigiba, yung lumang theater dito sa Escolta.
Artist Juana Gil collaborated with Andres Luna de San Pedro in designing break. One of the bakeries here. Please tap the shoulder of the person next to you. Tell them. So
Upo
let's
muna tayo
continue to
guys
take a look
habang
and see the
nakikinig
views.
kay
Again,
Sir
the Capitol
Stephen.
Theater designed by national artist Juana Gil. Any questions on this here? This corner. This is the oldest. It's called the Olsen Building, built in 1907. That white building over there. The very need of Binondo, the lack of parking. So this car park building in front of us, the Escolta car park building was inaugurated in 2024. So, a representative from the 2020s and from the 1900s are all here in this one. All Central Day and Escolta. Built Jones Bridge. The name actually came from a guy named William Atkinson Jones. He's a congressman in the US who actually authored the Jones Autonomy Law, which paved way to the independence of the Philippines in 1946. So it's actually, I think, we are the first colony of the US, or the territory of the US, that was conferred with independence. Now eventually, in a few days, destroyed the Capitol. No, so they just had so the ones in front of us is the black. The other one beside it is the Madrid and the Grand.
Okay guys, we are almost done sa ating Escolta walk tour. I hope marami kayong natutunan sa episode natin na ito. Yun, at natapos na nga ang ating tour sa Escolta Heritage Walk. Thank you for watching guys. Sana marami kayong natutunan. Thank you, ingat.